Optimize your website. Make sure your website is user-friendly and easy to navigate. A clean, professional design can help build trust with potential customers. Also, ensure your site is mobile-friendly, as a significant number of online shoppers use their mobile devices. SEO. Implement search engine optimization. SEO strategies to improve your website's visibility on search engines. This includes using relevant keywords, optimizing product descriptions, and using meta tags. Social media marketing. Utilize social media platforms to reach a wider audience. Regularly post engaging content and interact with your followers to build a strong online presence. Email marketing. Collect email addresses from your customers and send them regular updates about new products, sales, and other promotions. Personalized emails can help increase customer engagement. Customer service. Provide excellent customer service. Quick responses to queries and resolving issues promptly can help build a loyal customer base. Analytics. Use analytics tools to track your sales, customer behavior, and website traffic. This data can provide valuable insights to help you make informed decisions about your business. Remember, growing a business takes time and patience. Keep experimenting with different strategies and see what works best for your e-commerce business. Good luck.